In this video, you will see how to do hanging indent on Word on Mac. First, what you need to do is just select the text or paragraphs or references if you have. After that, you need to go here on the Format tab, and here you will see the option of paragraph. You can also right click on the selected text and then click on paragraph option, and you will see this paragraph dialog box window. You need to click here on the indent and spacing. Under the indentation, you will see the option of special. Here, instead of none, you can select the option hanging. Note that here you can see the preview. After selecting hanging, you can select this hanging by how much space do you want. So by default it is 1.27 centimeter. It may be in inches for you. You can increase or decrease the size. You can see the preview here, and once done, just click on OK. In case you want to remove this hanging indent, you can go back to the paragraph option, and then next to the special, just select the option none and then click on OK to remove hanging indent in Word on Mac. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Word on Mac quickly. See you again in the next one.